When electrical wiring is submerged in water, it loses its Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, rating. UL is a global safety certification company that tests and certifies electrical products for safety. Submersion can damage wiring due to water or contaminants. This reduces electrical resistance and insulation, making the wiring susceptible to short circuits or fires. Submerged wiring is not up to code and requires replacement. Electrical codes require wiring to be installed and maintained safely to prevent electrical hazards. Wiring that has been underwater has the potential to become a safety hazard, so it must be replaced to ensure the safety of the home and its occupants. If the wiring was submerged in salt water, it may require additional inspection and testing to ensure that it is still safe to use. In some cases, it may be necessary to replace the entire electrical system in the home to ensure safety. It is always recommended to have electrical wiring inspected and tested by a qualified electrician after a flood to ensure that it is safe to use.